What are stormwater pipes? Stormwater pipes are the pipes that take your roof water and other excess stormwater away from your property. Stormwater can enter your stormwater system via the downpipes that come off your roof gutters. Also, some properties have pits to collect groundwater or other things such as aggie drains that will also collect that water, and it will siphon into your stormwater system, which will then go out to the street, which is quite common, or in some suburbs they actually have their own stormwater mains. It's important to take away your stormwater from your property to avoid a build-up of that water, especially here in Queensland where we get large rains and it can result in flooding, issues with foundations being damaged by water lying around too much, and which causes ground movement.